Today we'll be seeing the Hindenburg disaster. May 6th marks the anniversary of the crash of the German airship the Hindenburg in Lakehurst, New Jersey in 1937. The accident claimed the lives of 35 people. And this is why today, the disaster, which was captured on film, is still remembered today. All the witnesses in that moment in time was recorded with the voice, "Oh, the humanity." To go back to the early 1900s, futurists thought that airships were going to be the future weapon of war. Many futurists thought that wars wouldn't last no more than mere hours, as airship fleets from other countries would fly over to the opposing capital city and completely destroy it. That sort of thoughts, that sort of hope that they had for the future made the launch of ships like the Hindenburg akin to that of the Titanic. And one can only imagine being used by Nazi propaganda to give an aurora of peace without realizing in only a few years the world would churn into war. But alas, when the Hindenburg went up in flames, so did the hopes of an age of airships. And still, that voice rings down to our hearts. Oh, the humanity. Let's go back in time to 1937 and have this connection to this disastrous day.
I know you'll understand how happy we can be if we'll only stay to be.
Dann kaufte ich mir täglich das, was mir gerade gut gefällt. Ich zahlte in bar den Preis für jeden.
It's starting to rain again. The rain had cracked up a little bit. The back motors of the ship are just holding it just enough to keep it from... It bursts into flames. Get it started, get it started. It's right, and it's right, terrible. Oh my, get out of the way, please. It's bursting into flames, and it's falling on the mooring mast and all the folks between it. This is terrible. This is one of the worst catastrophes in the world. Oh, it's like 400 or 500 feet into the sky, and it's a terrific crash, ladies and gentlemen. The smoke and the flames now, and the frame is crashing to the ground, not quite to the mooring mast. All the humanity and all the passengers feeding around it. I told you, I can't talk to people. There's friends around there. I can't talk, ladies and gentlemen. Honest, it's just laying down massive smoking wreckage. And everybody can't hardly breathe and talk and screaming. Lady, I'm sorry. Honestly, I can hardly breathe. I'm going to step inside where I cannot see it. Charlie, that's terrible. Listen, folks, I'm going to have to stop for a minute because I've lost the voice. This is the worst thing I've ever witnessed.